Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to collage the photos or pictures on Instagram story. So first thing we have to do is open the Instagram application. In this Instagram, we need to access the story section. How to access the story sections? You just need to go click this plus button, or if you already in a home section, you just need to slide the screen into the left side until you arrived in a story section. In the story section, to collage your photos, you just need to click these features, these square pictures. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to choose which photos that you want to add into this grid line. Access the gallery and choose every pictures that you want to add to. Okay, after you're done for everything, you just need to click done. And now you already have a photo in a collage. That's all the way how to collage your photo on an Instagram story. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.